Most young guys want to become a millionaire. They see some clips on TikTok and Instagram and think it's easy. The reality is that times have changed, and you can become a millionaire at a young age with the internet. But that doesn't mean it's easy, or that you will become one by following the crowd. To become wealthy goes beyond just learning a random skill online. You need a set of principles to follow. That's why I will share with you 6 principles to wealth. Principle 1. Never have a ceiling on your income. Most people have been programmed by the school system to be happy with little money. The programming runs so deep that people actually feel bad for earning a lot. This is why you will find a lot of people earn the same salary for decades of their life. Subconsciously, it just doesn't feel right to them to make double or triple the money. They feel like they don't deserve it or are doing something wrong. And that's why they accept the same range of income for their entire life. You must realize that there's no ceiling on the amount of money you can earn. Reprogram your mind to not feel bad about making outstanding amounts of money. Otherwise, you will self-sabotage the moment you finally start to earn good money. Principle 2. Value your time. The biggest difference between the wealthy and the broke is how they perceive time. Broke people don't value their time, they only value their money. In fact, they are extremely frugal and cheap. You will see them spending hours on groceries and cooking, all to save some pennies, or surfing the internet for months to learn a new skill instead of simply investing in mentorship or an online course. Pathetic. Rich people are the exact opposite. They know time is priceless, and that's why they have no problem spending money if it buys them more time. This is why you will see rich people outsourcing chores. Think about it. When they pay others to do the dishes or cook food for them, they have effectively bought free time. And with this extra time, they can earn 100 times what they paid the person to do the chores for them. The same goes for learning a new skill. Broke people will call every product online a scam. They will say all information is for free on the internet, and then you'll find them wasting weeks or months filtering through loads of different information on the internet. While those with a rich mindset just invest in the best source of information they can find, whether that's a coaching call or an online course. They do this to save time and have the information structured. If you want to become a millionaire, you'll need to value your time like one. So stop lavishly wasting your time while being frugal with your money. That lifestyle will keep you broke like all the others that do the same. Principle 3. Honor your word. What I'm about to say is a forgotten principle in the era of TikTok and social media. A man must honor his word. You will never be able to network with high-level individuals if you don't keep your word. Because a man that doesn't keep his word simply isn't respectable. But even more important than keeping promises you made to others is to keep the promises you make to yourself. If you say you're going to get up at a certain time to work, you do it. If you say you're going to pick up a specific skill, you do it. Listen. The more often you break promises you've made with yourself, the less you will trust and respect yourself. And if you don't truly trust and respect yourself, it's impossible to achieve anything in this world. Principle 4. Invest in yourself. Broke people don't invest in themselves because they don't trust themselves. They know they are pathetic and their word is meaningless garbage. And this is why they don't invest in themselves. You see, broke people know they will waste that investment anyways. They know that even if it is the best investment on earth, they'll find a way to waste it. And that's why they don't invest in themselves at all. Pathetic. Those with a wealthy mindset invest in themselves all the time. Whether it's increasing their sleep quality, buying books, getting a mentor, attending webinars, or buying online courses. Unlike those with a broke mindset, people with a wealthy mindset don't call everything a scam to cope with their own shortcomings. Listen, if you want to stay broke for the rest of your life, go ahead and call everything a scam and never invest in yourself. Number 5. Talk less. No matter how much money you make, there is always someone that you can learn from. Even if you earn more than that person, he may still know something that you don't. This is why you'll see successful entrepreneurs shut up and listen. They're always looking for something to learn in order to get better. Broke people, on the other hand, always talk the most. They talk like they got everything figured out, have an opinion on everything. Everything is a scam. These types of people just keep talking, and no successful person takes them serious because of it. It only makes them unlikable. Listen, if you truly want someone to like you and teach you things, know when to shut up and make the conversation about that person. Never act like you know it all. Number 6. Offer value. There is really only one golden law of money that you need to remember. You will be paid in direct proportion to the value you deliver according to the marketplace. This means that you will get paid more and more if you bring more value to people. Listen, what's valuable and what's not valuable has nothing to do with your opinion. It has to do with what the marketplace finds valuable, what the world finds valuable. McDonald's earns money because they bring value to people. Their food is garbage, but hundreds of millions of people still value it. And that's why they get paid innumerable amounts of money. The same could be said for influencers. Sure, they may produce mindless garbage and degeneracy, and you shouldn't do the same. But the marketplace still values their entertainment, and that's why they get paid. Offering value can also be in the form of making self-improvement videos, helping others get into shape, editing videos, or making tutorial videos. There are no limits to the amounts of problems you can solve in this world, and by extension, there is no limit to the amount of value you can give others. Understand that if you're broke, you are offering no value to anybody. And if the marketplace considers you worthless, you don't get paid anything. But if you bring value to this world, you get paid outstanding amounts of money. There is no limit to what you can earn. By the way, if you want to level up in life, don't forget to show some love by hitting the like and subscribe button. Until next time.